Yo! What's up, everyone? Just stopping in to say what's going on, man. Bitcoin rejected from the 800 EMA. Let's get it. What's up, John? Prickly, Waterfly, what's up, everyone? Everyone had a fantastic day. Super volatile day for Bitcoin today, guys. Super volatile day, man. I probably scared a lot of you guys as I jump on the mic here. You weren't expecting me to jump on here, were you? Were you expecting me to come on here? Clint said, hey, how about you go fuck yourself? Oh, Lord. That's funny, man. That's funny. What's up, everyone? What's up, Mark? What's going on? All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Mike, I just had to do it for you, man. What's going on, man? What's going on? Mike said dead air incoming. You guys know what's up. You guys know what's up. All right, super volatile, kind of a volatile day for Bitcoin. We're still in our range, but at least we're getting some volatility. We're getting some good moves to the downside, good moves to the upside to take advantage of some trades. The short from this morning played out pretty well if you took some profits. All right, if you didn't take profits, well, that's what happens when you don't take profits, right? So let's discuss. Hope everyone had a fantastic day. If you've been trading this range, let me know in the chat, man. If you get excited for this move up to 21K, let me know in the chat. Can Bitcoin break up higher here? Let's discuss, man. Let's freaking discuss. All right? Let's get it, man. Hey guys, strap up. We're going to the friggin' moon. This is it. This is the pump above 21K. That's gonna bring us back to the promised land. Strap up. We're going to the moon. I won't have to stick this plunger up George's ass anymore. This is great. This is great. My stimmy, my fine $500 stimmy is finally gonna get back to $100. I'm gonna be rich. I'm literally gonna be rich. Strap up. We're going to the freaking moon, baby. Let's go. All right, yo, what's going on, man? Let's stop the nonsense. Let's stop the nonsense. All right, a little bit of a volatile, if I can talk. Holy moly, man! Sometimes I just can't talk, and it's really, really weird. Let me put this up here so that gets updated. Kind of a volatile day for BTC, right? This morning, I think we were around this area this morning. We kind of had some moves to the downside all the way back down to 19,700, and now we're making our way back up to 21K. All right, here we go, man. Let's get a little pump song, aka the short song, in the chat. Let's get it, man. Come on, man. That apartment is really stylish. It's very, very stylish, man. It's very, very stylish. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, man. Up to 21K. All right. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. All right. So, can we expect it to go higher now? Now that we got the pump song out of the way, can we expect it to go higher, or do we think it's just going to dump right from these levels? We have to play the nostalgic pump song. We never get to play it anymore, and quite frankly, I miss playing the pump song. So, we're going to throw it in there if we get a little pumps, okay? Because right now, we have to enjoy anything that we get. But where has Bitcoin come back to, guys? Where has Bitcoin come back to? It came right back to the 800 EMA in the 15-minute time frame, right? It came right back to the 200 EMA on the 1-hour time frame. That's all it's done, all right? It hasn't done anything yet. Doesn't mean it can't continue up, all right? But just make sure you guys are wary that this is the last point where Bitcoin has gotten rejected the last time. And it did the same exact pattern, all right? What did it do up here? Let's take a look. So we came up to the 800 EMA, right? We got the spike up, spike back down, wick back to the upside, off the 800 EMA, and then got the following dump, all right? So now we're sitting right at that same moving average, right? Which is the 800 EMA, all right? I know I have Clint in the chat probably saying this. This is probably what Clint's saying. Oh, you guys can't see me. Hold on. I can't show you the bottom half of me because something weird's going on down here. But, guys, What are we looking at? The 800 EMA? What's next? The 1076 EMA? How many EMAs do we look at? The 20, the 40, the 60, the 80, 1076? Like, what the hell is up next? I'm so sick of all these EMAs. No, guys, but the 800 EMA is one of the most important to look at, all right? I would argue the 20, the 50, the 200, and the 800 are the ones that people should be looking at, all right? Depending on your preference. Everyone has different preferences when it comes to that. But we're doing the same thing, right? We got the spike up to the upside, spike down, spike up to the upside again, off the 800 EMA. Will we get that move to the downside again and complete that M formation, right? What would nullify this is if Bitcoin can continue up and break the previous wick here. All right, maybe we're in business. Maybe we start rocking and rolling. Maybe we can come back up and test the highs here. Until then, we stay vigilant, and until then, we assume that the market makers could bring it back down. Why? Why could they bring it back down? Well, what's down here, man? What is down here? We still got these two yellow vector candles back down here to the downside. All right, so let's just stay vigilant here, okay? It's not guaranteed that we come back down to these levels, but let's stay vigilant. And what I'm looking at here is if we can get back above the 800 EMA, all right, man. It's going to be probably a pretty nice move to the upside in that case. If we come back down and we break this level here at 20,700, complete the M formation, we're coming right back down to the lows again. All right, I'm sick of those lows, man. I really, really am. I really, really am. Big news coming tomorrow. Is there? Is there big news coming tomorrow? Guys, by the way, let me know in the chat. What is your favorite kind of chip? This is very, very random, but I need to know in the chat. I guess we're getting a slight up move day, but other than that, it's pretty much a crab market still. What is your favorite chip in the chat? I need to know right friggin' now. If you don't tell me, I'll be very, very upset with you. All right. Also, guys, smack up the like button for your favorite chip, because I'm going to be eating chips tonight. All right. You guys know I always tell you what I have to eat. I guess it's sort of a memorial at this point, but I am eating chips. You guys are like, Jordan, why are you eating chips? Hold on. I'll let you guys answer what your favorite chips are first. All right? Let me know. Let me know. All right. So we have that. Let's go back to the hourly. So the hourly wasn't too shabby. All right? We had this downtrend of resistance that did break into the upside. We came back up, came back down. We actually didn't even have to come all the way back down to the 50 EMA. So I think the hourly looks okay, right? The hourly looks okay. Hourly stocks are getting a little bit to the upside. So if we do see a pullback from this range, don't be surprised. Hourly stocks are a little bit to the upside, man. But on the flip side, the 15-minute still has room to move to the upside. So to me, if we do come back up here, just be careful of another spike back to the upside, right? Just to hit some stop losses, right? Before that next move to the downside. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this in the chat if we move to the upside, man. I do not want to see this. Wow! I'm in a long right now from 21,200 right on this wick. Oh my god. It's moving up again. This is ridiculous. Yes. Yes. I'm going to be rich. George was right. Carl was right. Rover was right. Yes. Jabba. I knew you were wrong the whole time. I'm going all in. Yes. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Pump it. Yes, I am rich. It's pumping. Yes. Wait. It's coming back down. No. Dump it. No. This is manipulation again. I fall for it every time. Every time I fall for it. I will not fall for it again. Screw you, market makers. No, guys. I would say just be patient at this level, man. We gotta wait for some type of confirmation at this level. All right. So let's stay a little bit patient. All right. If you guys were in the short this morning, let me know if you guys shorted Bitcoin this morning. All right. It did play out if you took profits. Okay. We didn't quite come down all the way where we should, or where we kind of predicted it to, but that's not the point. Right? We should be taking profits on the way back down and laddering profits in on the way back down. All right? So that rising wedge that we had earlier today played out very, very nicely. Let me actually see. Could we actually be forming another one, right? We sort of been loving these rising wedges. Could we be forming another one? Let's see. If we got another trend line coming up like this, all right? And could we have maybe another one popping up here? Let's stay vigilant here. But these wedge formations, how many times have we seen falling wedges, rising wedges for BTC? We could be seeing another one right here, man. All right, so let's stay patient here, and it would make sense because we're coming up to the 800 EMA. All right, so the key is for BTC, we need to see a big volume move. We want to see a big, giant, juicy, green cucumber vector candle to the upside here. We want to see the biggest cucumber that's ever been in mankind if Bitcoin breaks this EMA here. We don't want to see a little pussy pump, right? We want to see this thing, all right? We want to see this thing shoot right through the roof, right through the friggin' roof. Is that a pickle? Come here, pickle. I want you in my mouth. Come here, pickle. Come here right now. Is that a friggin' pickle? Jordan, where'd you get that thing? That thing's huge. That thing's huge. Bob, don't be talking about my pickle that way, man. Don't be talking about my pickle that way. All right. But we want to see the pickle come out, and we want to see it break back above here. All right. But that's that. All right. So let's look at the longer term time frames. This is kind of what I'm looking at, guys. And this is the scenario. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We'll start at the 4-hour. We will go to the daily. Then we'll go to the weekly. All right. And I see John in the chat. John, let me explain why I look at the 15-minute time frame so much. There's not enough to look at on the daily yet, right? There's not enough data here, right? There's no formations. There's nothing really to say about the daily time frame just yet that hasn't already been set, right? So that's why I'm looking at shorter-term time frames at the moment, right? Right now, we just dumped like a week ago, and now we're just kind of oscillating. But the 4-hour time frame, that's a good question, John. I appreciate you bringing that up, man. The 4-hour time frame, stop talking about wanting to see the pickle come. I want to see the pickle come, all right? Let me take off the pickle because people will say, oh, Jordan, get off the pickle, man. We can't take you seriously with the pickle. Okay, yeah. What is that? Does society tell you you can't take me seriously with the pickle on? All right. Let's, John said trolled. Let's see right here, all right? Let's see right here. So the 4-hour time frame, here's what I'm looking at, man. Is Bitcoin going to form, even if it continues higher here, right? Let's say Bitcoin can break back above the 50 EMA on the 4-hour. And it also has this downtrend of resistance. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on this downtrend of resistance coming down. But could it just be forming, once again, right? It's infamous bear flag pattern. All right? We know we don't like the bear flag. We know these bear flags. If we zoom out, say the daily chart, all right? If we zoom out on the daily chart, we have this daily chart on the daily, right, from about January to March, right? And we also had this one here that broke to the downside as well, all right? Could we be forming once again just a more of a shorter term time frame bear flag again, all right? I know we're all sick of those. We know we want the price to go up, but could we be forming another one on, say, the shorter term time frame, say on the 4-hour time frame? So the scenario that I'm looking at here, and we know we talked about this possible inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? The possible inverse head and shoulders pattern where we have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, okay? So, everyone's kind of talking about this thing right here, all right? We're coming up to that 50 EMA. If we break out and we just come back up to the top of the channel here, all right, are we going to see something like this play out? Maybe we come up, maybe come back up again, before we eventually dump back down to the downside. These are a couple of the trend lines that I am currently watching because Bitcoins love to form these. I mean, it's kind of, look at the resistance and the support, matches up perfectly in a channel, okay? So what would that mean? Well, if something like that did play out, we want to see one more touch on the top side of the channel first. But if it did, right, it depends where you want to take it from. Take it from here. And let's say it eventually played out to the downside. Like this. It eventually played out to the downside. Let's see. Where would that put us? Well, that would put us back at our lows. Right back at our lows, which I told you guys. I still expect us to come back down to the lows here. All right? I'm not expecting us to just do a V-shaped recovery right to the upside. All right? I'm expecting us to come back down to the lows, take the lows before continuing back up. All right? So let's watch. Let's see. All right? But this is sort of what I'm looking at here. Something along the lines of this pattern playing out at the moment. All right. My short got destroyed today. Guys? No one short should have got destroyed. All right. Can I do a quick rant alert? First of all, everyone loses trades. It's okay if you lost a trade. But guys, rant alert. How did your short get destroyed today? All right. How did your short get destroyed? We were talking about over here. All right. Let's go back in time. Let's go back in time a little bit. On stream this morning, we were talking about this wedge formation right here. It played out beautifully. How did you get destroyed? You had to move from when we talked about it this morning, which we were talking about this morning, like I think right around this area right here. How'd you get destroyed? You had a nice move to the downside that you could have took profits on. Don't wait for your exact target. If you wait for your exact target, guess what? You're gonna get wrecked. You got to be taking profits on the way back down, or at least take half off the table and move your stops in the profit. There's no reason why the short from this morning should not have played out. You got a nice move to the downside. If you shorted the wedge formation, that was about, whoops, we don't want that. That was about a, let's see. Price range, that was about a 2.5% move without any leverage there. So it's a nice move. You got to pay yourself, man. As Tino would say, you got to pay yourself. Let's see. You got to pay yourself, man. And now we're forming a bigger one. So let's stay vigilant on this one. If this one breaks down, remember to pay yourself. All right? Remember to pay yourself, man. So trading with the sniper didn't play out. I was actually watching that a little bit this morning. It wasn't what he was saying was wrong. He was actually making a lot of good calls, right? You saw the dumb. That's why you guys, you can't wait for the exact take profit price, especially when you're watching Sheldon, right? Sheldon knows what he's talking about. I think he's a pretty cool dude. I was actually watching the stream a little bit today. What he was saying was correct. Like, he had the right move. The issue was there's so many people in that same trade that you're gonna get front run on your take profit levels, man. So you got to take profits before everyone else wants to take profits. You can't wait to the exact take profits level because everyone's gonna front run you. You know what I mean? Everyone's gonna front run you. You gotta, and I watch those streams. There's a reason why I watch those streams. I watch those streams to know when I should be taking profits before he has his take profits box, okay? Because everyone's gonna try to take profits right there. You know what I mean? So, no, Sheldon made a pretty good call today. What he was saying was totally the right thing to do, man. Just that he didn't go all the way to a take profit level, you know? Let's see. I'm feeling a breakout. Nice. The Matic trade was great. Oh, the Matic trade? Let's see. All right, let's look at a few other things here. The 4-hour RSI still has some room to run up. So stock RSI still has room to come up. That's why I think it's definitely a possibility. I usually wouldn't say this, all right? And I'm not going to get caught out. I want to see the move, like I said. Here's my synopsis here. I want to see a move on the 1 hour above the 200 EMA. We get above the 200 EMA, then we can start talking about this, where Bitcoin could come back up to the top of this channel here, right? Up to maybe the 23K level. If and only if, okay? If and only if we break the 50 EMA right here. Only if that, okay? If you're trading, you got to do it in ifs, all right? You got to do it in ifs, not 100%. If this happens, this. If this happens, this. All right? So this is sort of my scenario here. Something like this playing out. All right? So we'll go back to that in a little bit. Overall, you know, the daily is just kind of in the same range. It's not really much to say about the daily time frame, to be quite honest. It's not really much to say. We had the bearish engulfing candle yesterday. So far, hasn't really meant anything. Now we're getting a bullish engulfing candle. So we keep flipping bullish engulfing candles to bearish engulfing candles, back to bullish engulfing candles. We're just kind of jumping everywhere. So nothing really changed there on as far as that front, man. Nothing changed as far as that front. Everything's the same, man. Everything is literally the freaking same. All right? Everything's the same. So hold on. Bob's bitching to me about the. My God, man. Jordan, can you talk about the daily chart? I know there's no patterns or anything, but can you make up something? Christ, man. Talk about short-term time frame charts over and over and over again. Like, say something about the daily. Make something up. Like, make some squiggly wiggly woo pattern. I don't care. Stop being a friggin' pussy and tell us what's gonna happen. You're such a friggin' pussy. God, man. You just talk about the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. So annoying, man. Talk about the daily, the weekly. That's what we're here for, not short term. Okay? Christ, man. Make something up for us. Jeez. We want hopium. You just want some hopium for once. For friggin' once, man. Thank you for the suggestion, Bob. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Keith said I fart 22 times a day. Bob does too, man. Oh, Lord. Thank you for the suggestion, man. Bob, Jordan doesn't do patterns. But yeah, guys, I mean, there's not enough price action in the daily to really take anything from this. And that's why I'm sort of focusing on the short term, the short term here. We'll do some hopium. If you guys want some hopium, let's check out the weekly time frame real quick because we do have some good stuff going on in the weekly time frame, man. It's not all doom and gloom. All right, it's not all doom and gloom. So let's see. Let's go over here. All right. So daily, we're getting that bullish engulfing candle. I will admit, guys, that really hasn't meant anything the last couple times. All right. So let's just make sure that overall we still have these wicks on the daily. They usually get recovered, so I still got to assume that we're going to come back down and take these wicks back down to like the $18,900 level at the very, very least. All right. So stay. That could take a while to play out. We could get a move to the upside first before we come back down. So. Let's stay on that. The weekly time frame. We want some hopium. Here's the freaking hopium, man. Let's get the hopium in the chat. Let's get the hopium in the chat. All right. Let's look at this. So blurry. Thank you, John. Appreciate the shout out, man. I love when you guys tell me like, oh, Jordan, you're so blurry right now. Here we go. Just like right now. Look, I'm blurry. It's ridiculous, man. I don't know why this thing always gets blurry. I think it's the snap camera here that makes it like that because it's so juiced up. There we go, man. It's so juiced up that it just gets all jacked up. But it's probably hot as hell. How hot is this thing? Oh, Lord. It's like some hot coffee. This thing actually gets really, really hot. I mean, it's already been on for probably an hour and a half now. Holy moly, that thing gets hot. It's probably not very good for it. I haven't had this thing for a while, though, so it hasn't broken yet, which is really, really nice. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't feel like scrolling up in the chat again. Can you tell me what your favorite chip is? Your favorite chips. I know I asked that earlier. I actually feel kind of bad that you have to take time in the chat to type it again. I really, really feel bad, man. I feel super, super bad. It's kind of ridiculous. The pencil necks in the chat are probably going to come back in. Let's jump into the hopium, though. All right? Let's jump into the hopium. I'm pencil neck. Okay? Jordan, stop asking us about chips. We want to see TA. We come here for the TA. Okay? We come here for the TA and that's it. We don't come here for chip talk, alien talk, none of that shit. We expect TA from you for 2 hours, okay? Because who else does TA for 2 hours? No one, okay? Everyone else talks. Who does TA for 2 hours? We expect you to sit here and do TA for 2 hours straight, okay? And not have any fun in your own stream, all right? So stop talking about chips, okay? Give us the TA, straight up. God, freaking damn it, man. I keep paying for TA, and I'm getting freaking chip talk, man. What is this, freaking Doritos? What is that, the Doritos headquarters? Ridiculous. I hate the pencil neck, man. The pencil neck is the worst guy. I would say, let me see what you guys are saying here. Sour cream and onion, Titanic, honey mustard, Pringles. Where's Java? Java is currently almost getting wrecked. All right, yeah, look, guys, let's set an alert for Java getting wrecked. All right, so Java is going to get liquidated at a break of the high. So 21,250, that's where Java gets liquidated. It might be happening right now. Let's see. 21,250, that's where Java gets liquidated. Java liquidated. Java liquidated. Here we go. 21,250 is where Java gets liquidated, which is right above the previous wick right here. So if you want to see Java get liquidated, let me know in the chat. Cool Ranch. My favorite trips are from Intel. Spotted a gigantic... Sheldon does it for 5 hours. Half the time he's just sitting there talking about nonsense. And BBQ. I like Sheldon, by the way. Sheldon's like one of the guys that I actually can tolerate, to be quite fair. So shout out to Sheldon's actually the man. All right. Let me see this. So 21,250. No one cares what your favorite chip is. All right, let's go to the weekly chart. So Bitcoin's trying to move up right now. Can it break the 800 EMA? That's what we're watching here, guys. That's what we're watching here. For the short term, we want to see a move above that level. If we can, it's a good shot. Bitcoin can come up to like 22,000 and test the next high. There's a good chance of that. So let's watch this very, very, very carefully here. That's what we're watching here. Earlier today was a nice breakup, by the way. We had this downtrend here for Bitcoin. We actually came back above it, back tested it, and continued up. I forgot to tell you guys about that earlier. It was a nice break of trend there and a continuation. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, by the way. So let's see if that breaks. Weekly chart. All right, here's what we want to see on the weekly. Let's get deep down and dirty here.
Rant alert.
All right. Let's get deep down and dirty. All right. Let's see. So here's what I want to see in the weekly chart, man. I want to see chip beef. I want to see a move back above the 200 SMA. Now, this is not mandatory. This is not mandatory. But the 200 SMA, as it stands right now, is at 22,427 US dollars. We get a move above that, all of a sudden, you know, at least for right now, it's looking a little bit better. And this is for all my hopium guys out there. This is for all the guys that want to snort some hopium, because I know you guys love snorting hopium, okay? George doesn't have all the hopium. I have a little stash here that I've been saving. If Bitcoin can anyway retrace back above that level, which is about $1,300 higher than we are right now, this is going to look, you know, we look back in the past at some of these times. March of 2020, we had a wick below. We came back up. We closed above the next week. All right, all was good in the world. 2018, we had a wick below, closed back above the next week. All right, we came back down and tested again. This is why I always say wait for the double bottom, right? You always see double bottoms. You had one wick, you had two wicks up. Okay, you had one move to the downside, second move to the downside, up. So you can always come back to it. Doesn't mean we're going into a bull market, but if you can close back above it, all right, maybe we found a little bit of a range. Maybe we just kind of range between 17K and freaking, I don't know, 25K for the next couple months, which would suck, right? It was the same thing back down here in, say, 2014 and 2015, right? It doesn't extend all the way over, but you guys get the point, right? If these extended out, it would probably be somewhere around this range. You have wicks below, but you end up closing above the next week. So let's see. I think if there's any hopium, right, from what you can take from the weekly chart, because it's not really not that much data on the weekly chart, is that a move back above there might look pretty freaking good. All right, the move above there might look pretty freaking good. Wow, I love to sniff. I usually sniff hay, but can I have some of that hopium? That smells good. Give me some of that hopium, Jordan. George has been hogging it. Wow, thank you. Thank you for the hopium. Thank you so much. Wow, I'm so high. Wow, I'm baked. Yes. Let me answer my phone. Yes, Horse Guy has just snorted the hopium and now he is ready to go back to the upside. Yes, Jordan has done his job. He has gave his viewers hopium. Like Horse Guy. Okay, now you know what to do. You know what to do now. You know exactly what to do. Dump it. This is so wrong, man. I hate myself with these lips. I look so ugly with these lips. But anyways, you guys get the point. Let me take off these lips. These are hideous. I think they're hideous on most people. But I'll shut my mouth because you can't say that nowadays. You know, if we can close back above there, all right? If there's any chance, all right, maybe we stay in this range for quite a while, all right? Which I think to me is the most bullish case scenario. I don't see a bull run coming where we go to 30K, 40K, 50K. No, none of that. But at least stay in a range, 25K to 17K, and just range here for a few months, all right? I could see that being certainly a possibility, all right? So that's sort of the hopium. The weekly RSI is oversold, right? And I know that's a very, very basic indicator, guys. I'm not immune to that. The RSI is a very, very basic indicator. You can still go lower when the weekly RSI is bottomed out. But it usually does give you an indication that you are due for some type of, I don't want to say rally, because that's a little bit of a strong word, but at least a little bit of a consolidation to actually reset this. So if there's any hopium, maybe we stay in this range for a little bit, right? What's up? Jason S. said Jordan equals sexy as fuck. Wow, man. Thank you, man. I never thought I'd be so happy that a Jason would tell me that I'm sexy. That's it's quite different. It's quite different that you would say that. What is limes? I have no idea. The same thing on the 2-week, man. I mean, a couple different things on the 2-week. If you want maybe a little bit of hopium, okay? A little bit of hopium here, okay? The bottom of the Gaussian channel at the 2-week, we're sitting right here, man. We're sitting right here. We've bottomed out on that the previous 2 times, all right? So let's continue some of our hopium here. We love hopium, okay? We love hopium. And let's see. And yellow vector candles aren't basic. No, because no one looks at those, man. Everyone looks at the RSI. Everyone looks at patterns. They work, They can work. Okay, we did a rising wedge this morning that worked, right? But I would say that it's a little bit less basic. It's a little bit less basic. And guys, I know basic. Okay, I know basic. Did someone just call me basic? This is freaking rude. My God, who called me basic in the chat? Did Mike just call me basic? That was freaking rude, Mike. That was Mike, right? I am not a basic bitch, okay? I am not a basic bitch. I am a real bitch, okay? A real bitch. No pun intended. I am a real bitch. So if you call me a basic bitch one more time, I'm going to come over there and I'm going to smack that ugly smile right off your face, Mike. Okay? All right. Don't be calling people basic because Karen will come out and she'll be very, very upset, guys. All right? But 2-week Gaussian channel, you have gotten support on it and on the monthly there. Sorry, on the 2-week and at the bottom here in 2014. You've gotten slight wicks below. My mouth is so dry, man. Holy moly. I promise it's not cotton mouth, guys. There we go. Better suck. But I promise. And guys, I am getting excited, man. I'm getting excited. You know why I'm getting excited, man? You know why I'm getting excited? Because there's so many different things here on the 2-week chart that are quite beautiful. If Bitcoin was in normal circumstances, okay? And I want everyone to realize that circumstances aren't normal in the economy right now, okay? So we're going to look at this in the lens of in normal circumstances. Normal circumstances are not right now. But here's what I'll say, guys. Here's what I'll say, okay? There's a lot of good signs right now. And I don't what I mean as good signs is the starting to see things that you normally want to see at typical bottoms, okay? Stock RSI in the 2-week bottomed out, all right? I wouldn't get too excited until that crosses back into the middle range, but it is what it is. At least you're bottomed out. You got the capitulation flash on the hash ribbon signal, okay? That's always been the first step of creating some sort of macro bottom, right? 2-week RSI sitting at the lowest levels it's ever has, okay? And we said the weekly RSI sitting at the lowest level it ever has, and the monthly RSI sitting at the lowest level it ever has, okay? What does that mean? Does that mean that we're going into a bull market right the freak now, okay? No, it doesn't mean we're gonna go. Doesn't mean we're gonna go in a bull market right now, man. No, Jordan, we are gonna go in a bull market. Okay, I am George. We're all George. We all think we're gonna go to a bull market. We gonna go. Okay, we are gonna go up. We are gonna go up, guys. We're going to a bull market right now. End of 2022, 100K. It is happening. Okay, we are gonna go up. Haven't you seen the tech dev fractals? Haven't you seen them? Okay. We are gonna go up, guys. Trust me. I am George. We're all George, right? Right? We're all George? Yes, George. George, we're all George. Strap up. We're going to the moon. This is the best day ever. George, I love you again. I love you, man. But no, it doesn't mean I think we're going to a bull market, but at least a little bit of a consolidation. At least a consolidation in this range. All right? That's what I'm looking at here. A lot of interesting signs, all right? Does it mean the bottom's in? Not necessarily, okay? But at least a short-term consolidation in this range would not surprise me whatsoever. All right, look at Bitcoin, 21,155. We are so close to liquidating Java. Guys, we need all the bulls in the chat. If there's a whale out there, okay? If there is a whale out there, if you could, okay? If you could, let me know in the chat, okay? I need you to liquidate the shit out of Java right now. I'm tired of that smirk on his face, man. Look at him. I'm tired of that smirk on that guy's face, man. So if we want to liquidate Java right now, we need to break 21,250. This is Java's liquidation price right here. You guys can see it on the alert. We need to break that level, man. And it correlates with us breaking the level that we actually need to break on the chart. So let's watch. Let's watch. We're coming right up to that level, man. Let's see. We're sitting there. We're sitting right the frick There. Let's see, man. I'm so sick of that guy's face. All the way up. True. Let's see. And here, what's going on? We need a whale to push us up. Now watch, they're gonna push us down. Oh, come on, whale. Come on, bro. Guys, the whale is pushing us back down. Here we go. He heard us, and now he's pushing us back down to the downside. Absolutely ridiculous, if you ask me. Let's see here. I gotta scroll up to see what kind of chips you guys like real quick. And then I'll scroll back to the downside because I'm very interested in the chips. I am. Let's go back up here. Oh, I'm looking at the Hopium. We got Horseman. Holy moly, man. I can't even scroll that far up. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. I can't even see the chips. I said it twice. And I told you guys I was going to actually look this time. Oh, Lord, man. Sometimes I get so carried away. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. All right, so we looked at Bitcoin charts for the last 36 minutes. I can't believe we've already been live for 36 minutes, by the way. That went back. That went by super quick. We got 23 minutes into the daily close. Let's see. All right, let's see. We actually came right up to the resistance here of this possible falling wedge formation. I will say, if this comes back down and tests the bottom here again, this could be another juicy short opportunity. I would wait for confirmation, man. Just like we always do on these. I like to wait for the break, the move back up, retest of either the previous support or the rising wedge, right? The retest, and then that's when I put my short position in, man. That's when I go for it. Put the short position in with the stop loss back in the formation, basically, right? That's basically what I did this morning. It worked out pretty well. So, and I don't know if it's going to play out yet just yet. You have to wait for confirmation, right? You have to wait for the dump, wait for the wake below, and then you can get deep and dirty there. But until then, we wait and see. And quite honestly, I hope we pump. I hope we just pump out of this and we liquidate the shit out of Jabba, man. I hope we do. I hope we do. I hope the whales say, I don't give a shit what you have to say. And you do that. What the F? Barbecue? Mike, barbecue is delicious. I actually got, don't judge me, guys. I got barbecue and salt and vinegar chips today. Barbecue and salt and vinegar chips. Okay? Let's see. Brianna said that's 35 minutes longer than you last in bed. Oh, Lord, man. I just got roasted. Literally roasted. Holy moly, man. I just got roasted. Jordan, you're an idiot. You one pumper. You're a freaking idiot. I mean, I'm a virgin, but you're a one pumper. You're a freaking idiot. We knew it. Oh, Lord, I just got roasted in the chat, man. Roasted in the chat. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Salt and vinegar? Oh, salt and vinegar is dope, man. Salt and vinegar and barbecue. You put that shit together, we're good to go. You know what Majka got? Majka got sour cream and onion. And she got, shit, man. Oh, Cool Ranch Doritos. Don't ask me why we have so many chips, okay? Don't ask questions. Don't ask questions, just go with it, okay? You guys know I don't care. But we are excited for our chips, okay? Let me tell you that. I'm excited for the chips. I'm more excited for the chips than I was about White Castle, I'm going to be honest. Let's see. Gotta go see a guy about a horse. Smash the like button. We'll keep the jokes at a minimum here. All right. Let's go check out ETH. All right. The ETH, guys, we were talking about the same thing on ETH today. ETH played out fantastic. Fantastic, man. Look at the rising wedge on ETH. If you shorted ETH, nice job. Now, this is the thing, man. This is why you got to take profits before you hit your target, man. Because look what ETH did. It broke down from the wedge formation awesomely, right? Literally awesomely broke down from the wedge. We had our target right here, which is the yellow vector candle looking left. That's usually where I like to take profits. We didn't come all the way back down to that range, though, right? We wicked slightly above it and then moved to the upside. That's why what I like to do is before I hit my target, I take 50% off the table, move my stops into profit, right, and let the rest ride. And if it comes back up, well, it is what it freaking is, right? And then Ethereum decided to say, F you, I'm pumping up to the upside, okay? And now it finds itself all the way back up here, right? Let me actually bring up Ethereum's 800 EMA because I'm sure it's going to be at pretty much the same level here. Let's bring up ETH. Actually, let's go to the hourly on ETH because we can just use the 200. Yeah, look at ETH, man. ETH actually last time got a slight move above the 200 and then dumped. What I think could be different this time, though, which we'll see. You got a slight move up and then dumped. Now you're slightly above it. I want to see Bitcoin get confirmation before I get too pumped on ETH, man. You know, I want to get pumped on ETH. I do. I love ETH. I love ETH, man. You know, if you look at ETH like this, once again, you know, this one's more of a channel than Bitcoin's wedge, right? Bitcoin loves its wedgies, but, you know, is it going to come back down again? Let's see, right? Let's see. That would make some sense. So the bearish scenario for ETH, we get rejected at our current range. Come back down, take this yellow vector candle looking left right here. You guys see it? Let me zoom in a little bit. You guys see the yellow vector candle right here? We come back down, take that yellow vector candle, and then maybe move up again. Bullish scenario, we say, screw you, we're going to the moon.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Okay, and it just goes off into the races, and we liquidate Java, and all is good in the world. All right, so those are the two scenarios I'm looking for in the short term, man. Salt fingers. Oh, the best thing about eating chips, guys, is taking your fingers, okay, and licking them. All that, I don't even know what you call it, man. All that spice and just flavor on your fingers is the best part about eating chips. If you guys agree, let me know. Let me know. I think that's 100% the best thing. Garrett Soloway is backpedaling on downside in the short term. I'm sure he is. I'm sure he is, man. I mean, he made a pretty good call to the downside here. I mean, I remember, and this is why I take everyone's opinion with a grain of salt, just like mine, right? Especially for macro moves. No one knows macro moves. People can guess, but not everyone's right. I remember Gareth was saying the same thing. I mean, he's made a nice call this time, right? And I'm not going to take it from him, right? He's made a nice call up here. He said we're coming back down to 14K. So far, so good. We got pretty close, 17K. But I remember he said the same thing back here. All right? And then we went back up and new all-time high. So, you know, no one's always perfect. You guys are saying that Gareth is now flipping bullish for the short term. We'll see. We'll see. It's okay to flip your opinion, too. It's totally okay. I think the best people flip their opinion and are not pigeonholed into one thing, okay? I used to be pigeonholed into one freaking thing, man, and I will never be pigeonholed again. If there's good signs popping up, hey, we might be bullish. If there's bad signs popping up, all right, we might be bearish. That's the way we should look at it, you know? Clint said, I just eat the chips, and when I'm full, I wash my hands in the sink. Clint, what are you, proper? Is this... Who does that, Clint? Oh, my God, Clint, you sound like a... Oh, Lord, this is what you sound like, Clint. This is what you sound like. Oh, Lord, Clinty. This is what you sound like, man. Hold on. Let's bring up Clint real quick. Cheeto keyboard. You gotta love the Cheeto keyboard. Let me bring up my guy, Clint. Oh, yeah. I feel like eating some chips today. Let me take off my hat because that's not professional. It's not professional to eat the chip flavor off your fingers either. So... I'm just finishing eating my chips with my pinky up like this. Chips. Oh, yeah. Let's do one chip at a time because that's how Clint eats his chips. One chip at a time. You can't eat two at a time. That's too messy. Yeah, it might drop on your pants. Okay? So we can't do that. So let's do one chip at a time. Okay, now I'm done with my chips. Let's not crimple up the bag. Let's place it softly on the table. And make sure no chips fall on the table. Okay, there we go. Now, let's not lick our fingers. Let's go wash them in the sink and waste all that flavor on your fingers, man. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. That's what you sound like, Clint. Who doesn't lick their fingers after they eat chips? That's literally a sin. Now, Clint is a gentleman. That's not being a gentleman, okay? That's just being a weirdo. I'm just spitting facts here. You can be a gentleman and lick your fingers. Like, what is this? What is this? The 18th century? Come on, man. That's good. Who doesn't lick their fingers, man? That's too much. I get being. It's not. Man. Listen, and this comes from a guy who, you know, when he goes out to eat, he puts a napkin on his lap. So take that for what you will. All right. I guess I can't really talk. Fold the bag and iron it out before placing it in the garbage disposal. Exactly, man. Exactly. All right, so we talked about ETH. Right now, we're watching this. We're just kind of stuck at resistance right now, guys. So hopefully we get some movement on stream. I love to liquidate Java right now. I totally would. If we don't, just get the shorts ready, man, because when shorting the 800 EMA has been the move for Bitcoin the past couple months, man. So don't do it yet. I would say right now I'm going to wait for the break of this trend right here, this uptrend. I'm going to break for this trend. If this trend breaks, all right, then I might be going balls deep, okay? But until then, I'll be watching the charts, man. I'll be watching the charts. All right, so we still got 14 minutes, man. I feel like the first 35 minutes of the stream went by really fast, and the last 10 minutes has went by really slow. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. All right, let's do some of you guys saying in the super chats here. We got Social Zakin said, would you rather go for Polkadot or Chainlink? That's a good question, man. That's a good question. I like both. I like Dot and Chainlink. Now, I don't think you can go wrong with either of them, to be honest. And I would probably go with, and this answer might surprise you, man. This answer might surprise you. I might go with Dot over Chainlink, man. Why is that? One, because Chainlink's made me salty the last year. Because every time it pumps, Bitcoin dumps. Okay? So it's made me a little bit salty. You know? And I still think Dot from where it is. Like if we bring up CoinMarketCap here. I still think Dot for where it is. Let's see. Where's Dot? Where's Polkadot? Number 11. I mean, it was a top 10 project pretty recently, right? So I would probably go Dot. You can't go wrong with either one. Those are two ones that, you know, I told you guys that I'll be DCing into in this bear market. But there we go, man. Get out of here, man. But yeah, you can't go wrong with either one, man. I would probably go Dot right now, though, if I had to pick, you know. Typing this from my Solana phone. Let's go. Nice, man. Your Solana phone? That's pretty good. You type it with your Cheeto fingers? Because it's not as good with your Cheeto fingers, man. The Cheeto fingers. Let's see. Someone hacked Harmony? Oh, Lord. That sounds ridiculous. No more feet pick, Maya? The feet pick. No one really noticed the feet pick. Or you guys just didn't like the feet pick. It's just a bear market. You guys, so yeah, I know how people usually get it during times like this, especially when the prices go sideways. Everyone gets like kind of salty. All right, let's see. I got all my alts a week ago. Nice, man. Nice buy, bro. If you bought it when Bitcoin was at 17K, you made a pretty awesome thing, man. Manny G said this is hands down the funniest crypto show on YouTube. Might be the only one that's funny, man. So that's not really saying much, but I appreciate the comment, man. I do. I like comments like that, man. So I like that. Bosnian said, "Yo, what are your thoughts on the next Sol move?" Hey, I got Sol right here for you, man. Sol actually held up decently well today. Everything else was kind of dumping today, and Sol just kept pumping like a freaking rock today. So Sol's up to $38. Not a bad move from the lows, man. I mean, it was at $25. So from the lows, if you accumulate it down there, I mean, you're up 50% from the lows. That ain't too shabby. That ain't too freaking shabby. What can we expect for Solana? Solana's been a beast, man. It hasn't even had the chance. Like everything else was dumping today, and Solana was just like, nope, I'm not breaking the 20 EMA, right? Nope. Solana was literally caring today. Solana was literally caring. It did not care what Bitcoin was doing. Bitcoin was coming down a little bit earlier today. And Solana was literally up here going, no, I'm not going down. I am the best layer one, okay? I am literally the best layer one. I'm not going down. My name is Solana, okay? I am the most beautiful layer one there is. So no, I want to speak to the crypto managers and the crypto hedge fund managers that are shorting everyone else, okay? While we are staying up. I am the best. I am not going to go down. Okay? And don't make any jokes out of that. Do not make any jokes out of that because I do go down sometimes. But not in the charts, if you know what I mean. Oh, Lord. All right. Anyways, yeah, Solana's been a beast. Solana has some room to run up on the 1 hour time frame. Let me just check the 4 hour because I'm curious here. All right, guys. You know, I think that, cup and handle's a little bit of a meme pattern. But if we do look at this, Bitcoin's kind of got the same thing going on. Look where Solana's sitting right now. It's sitting right at the neckline of a cup and handle. All right, so you have the beautiful, what do we used to say, man? It's been so long since we saw cup and handle patterns. I feel like we're going back and rewinding it to 2021. We know there was a time where every altcoin was just making cup and handle, cup and handle. But we do have the round out, the back test of the 50 EMA, which I love the back test of the 50 EMA. Beautiful stuff. And the continuation back to the upside. Now we just need to see the break of the neckline. Okay, the neckline is sitting right here at about 38.69. Of course, it's 69. Solana would like that. But if we do break that, all right, all is good. All is good in the world. Now, I think a measure move target is probably a little bit optimistic. If you guys want to see the measure move target, I think it's a little bit optimistic. But let's do bottom to top, extrapolate it up. It's going to be an optimistic price target, man. I don't see. I'm not a big fan of extrapolating out. Price target's $60. That's a little bit crazy to me. I mean, it's a little bit crazy, but let's see. I think that the next obvious resistance would be the 200 EMA, right? Would be a 200 EMA right at which right now is at 41.40. That would be the next resistance for me. Well, let's focus on breaking that before anything else. But nice little pattern there. I do like it. You're going to probably see this from a bunch of different alts because you are seeing it from BTC. So, all right, BTC is still trying to hold up here. Can we get a move on the daily close, man? All right. Here's the thing, man. Here's the thing, bro. Here is the freaking thing, man. I need all the bulls in the chat right now. I want to liquidate Java so freaking bad. I want to see him cry. Right? And it's very, very mean. We haven't seen Java cry in a freaking hot minute. So I need everyone in the chat, if you are a bull right now, okay? My fellow bull Vikings, there is only about 20% of us that are left being bulls on this wall. But we must fight back, and we must finally liquidate Java's first short order. Okay? We have not done it in approximately 7 months since the November high. We have been pushed back all the way to the 21K level. We must push them back. So, if you want to liquidate Java, spam the swords and spam the shields in the chat right now. Spam them. Spam them in the chat. If you cannot find the sword and shield emoji, spam them in the chat right now. Show me the enthusiasm. Show me the enthusiasm in the chat. Don't sit there on your ass and stare at the screen and do nothing. Do not sit on your ass. Do not stare at the charts and pick your ass. You guys are sitting there picking your ass and staring at the charts. Fight with your fellow bulls. This is ridiculous, man. Do not sit there like Bob and pick your ass. Ah, man. I don't want to go to freaking war. What the frick is going on up here, man? God damn it. No, but guys, for all my bulls out there, man. All right, let's see if we can break the 800 EMA. That's really what we're waiting for here, man. Enthusiasm. It's so funny, man, because I used to go, you go back even 7 months ago, man. There was so much enthusiasm in the chat. This bear market has just sucked the enthusiasm out of most people. No, not everyone has sucked the enthusiasm out, right? But man, holy moly, man. Come on, guys, let's freaking get busy here, all right? Sometimes I gotta kick myself in the ass and say, Jordan, you gotta be more enthusiastic, bro. Sometimes I gotta kick myself in the ass. I gotta give myself a little kick in the balls, like we kick the Bears in the balls, man. Sometimes I gotta do it to myself. Boom! I missed that meme, man. I'm saving that meme for when we can kick Savvy in the balls at some point. All right. Boom! He kicks the shit out of that ball, that Bears balls. Holy moly! All right, we got 5 minutes until the daily close, guys. What other alts should we be looking at? Wave to you guys in the chat. Look at all you guys being enthusiastic in the chat, man. Look at all you guys being enthusiastic in the chat. Wayne said, "Suck my enthusiasm." Suck it. No, but in all honesty, man. In all honesty, what else? What other alts can we look at here? Let me know if you guys see yourself in the chat. If you do, you guys are freaking studs. You guys are freaking studs. Let me know if you actually like. I don't know if people like seeing the chat. Do you guys like seeing the chat on the screen? I don't know if you guys would like that actually. Let me know if you guys would actually like seeing the chat on the screen. It doesn't have to be a huge chat. It can kind of be small. Most people probably wouldn't like that, but it's just a thought. Let's look at, say, everyone's favorite coin, ADA, man. Let me move it back over here. So everyone's favorite coin, ADA. Because everyone loves ADA, right? Everyone love ADA? Let me know. I'm hearing crickets here. I'm hearing a lot of crickets, which is funny. I'm hearing a lot of crickets here. All right, so ADA. What are we looking at for Captain ADA, man? What are we looking at? Well, we're sitting right at the previous wicks, right? So we can mark this off right here. We're sitting right at the previous wicks. So that's what we're kind of looking at. Let's actually go to the hourly. It's probably going to be a little bit more helpful here. And so we're struggling with those previous wicks. Let's see what we got here. Let's go to like the 15. I don't like going the 15-minute right now, man. Let's stick to the hourly. Let's not get too dirty here. Let's not get too dirty. So what do we got? What are we forming here? Right? If you look at, say, the lows, these lows remind me a lot of these lows down here. All right? Where you kind of already had the breakout. If we actually look at what this formed down here, if we actually move this line down here, on the 1 hour time frame, it's quite beautiful if you ask me. We had the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, break out to the upside. Now we need to see the break of the 200 EMA, man. We need to see the break of the 200 EMA, which is sitting right up here. But we saw the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful inverse head and shoulders play out perfectly. So, nice stuff there. If you caught this, nice job. It is what it is. We don't catch everything here. All right, so nice job on that. Now what can we expect? We're starting to move up, but we got to break this 200 EMA, like I just said, guys. All right, let's switch to the 4 hour real quick. Hourly stocks are a little topped out. We can look at the short-term time frames. The short-term time frames are probably a little bit sketch, right? Because you've gotten a decent move to the upside. You got a little bit of bearish div on these short-term time frames, so keep that in mind. You got higher highs, and you got higher lows coming in, but you're forming a rising wedge on the 15-minute time frame, right? With a little bit of bearish div too. You have higher highs, and you have lower highs on the stock RSI. So be careful of that. Could you see a short-term dump before a continuation? Abso-freaking-lutely. Which would be fine, right? What would that mean for us? What would that mean for us if we saw something like that? Well, a back test of the neckline, right? A back test of the neckline at about 47.66, and then the continuation up, all right? So all is good in the world. All is good in the world if we see something like this where we come back down, back test, right? Somewhere in this range, back test the 50, and then get that continuation to the upside. All right, so let's watch. Short term, I would be surprised if you see a small little dump. Not even a cent. Small little dumpy dump. All right. Overall, though, we go to the 4 hour time frame. Man, Cardano's all over the place in the 4 hour, man. Holy moly. This is like all kind of jacked up on the 4 hour time frame. Holy majoli jacked up. Let's see. Overall in the 4 hour, I just want to see break a trend, man. Downtrend, I want to see break a trend. So not only the 50 EMA, but a break a trend. Let's go back to BTC, though. But where's my BTC chart, man? Did I just use the Cardano chart in the BTC? Oh, Lord, man. Let's go back to BTC. We're going back. We're going back. Hit me around. Sugar, we're going back swinging. You'll be my number one coin if you want it. I'm gonna DCA into Bitcoin. Yes, I am down, down if you hear me around. Sugar, my DCA is going down, swinging. All right, hold up. I'm just singing while I go back, guys. I have to make some type of noise. That's kind of human I am. All right, so let's see. All right, 21,120. Let's see. We got the daily close. Let's see the daily close. So daily close, not a bad close. I mean, now you got the bullish engulfing. So you go from bullish engulfing to bearish engulfing. Now back to bullish engulfing. You know, that's sometimes how the charts work. But we finally broke above that range, right? The 27,747 range. If we go back to all these daily candles here, guys, look at this. We couldn't close above it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 straight days of wicking above and not being able to close that above that 27,747 level. You finally got that daily close above there. Hey, we'll take it. We'll definitely take it. All right. Let's back to short-term time frames and see what Bitcoin does. 4 hours still, 1 hour still right at resistance. 4 hour still right at the 50 EMA. Nothing's really changed there. In 1 hour still right at the 800 EMA. So nothing's really changed there. So all in all, we wait still. We wait, man. Voice of an Angel. Thank you, man. Fall Out Boy. Who sings that? I think that's who sings that? Sugar Wig. I think that's. I don't know if that's Fall Out Boy. Is that Fall Out Boy? Shooter said, "Please stop." Oh Lord, man. Lord. Let's see. My TV stream is so behind. Is it? Surprised. Let's see. Now I'm hungry. You said Harmony 1 got hacked? Oh, Lord, man. That's not good. Let's see. Let's see Harmony 1. Just another altcoin bites the dust. Let's see. Harmony 1. Ah, it's actually not even going that bad. I was expecting, guys, when you said Harmony 1 got hacked, I was expecting to see the chart like, boop, to the downside. It's really not even down that much. It's down a little bit, but I mean, it's pretty much like everything else, kind of just still in its range. So that actually ain't too shabby. You guys were making me think that Harmony got absolutely destroyed. It's not doing that it's not really doing that bad. Actually, considering it's right at support. Will it break? I mean, that's sort of the question, but you know, same type of deal. If it can recover, right? You got the left shoulder, you got the head, you got the right shoulder. Looking for the inverse head and shoulders. If it can recover, man. If you guys got pissed over this, man, come on, bro. Come on, man. You guys got pissed over that? Come on, man. We're smarter than that. No! This is ridiculous! Oh my god! Look at this red candle! I've been DCAing Harmony in this range. Harmony 1 got hacked. Oh! Look at this 4-hour candle. It's down. Oh my god! It's down to 6%. And now it's bouncing. I'm selling. I'm selling all of my Harmony 1. All of it right now. I'm selling right now. Yes, why am I still here? Where's Bogdanov?
Dump it. Pump it.
What? George? Hello, George. George! It dumped more and then pumped. You tell me how many got hacked. This is ridiculous. This is pure manipulation. This was set up by the news. The news set this up. This is manipulation. I am suing. I am literally going to sue. Yes. I'll be back. I got to sue. Yes. Listen, I gotta say, man, I've been seeing all over Twitter, this person suing this person. This person suing this person. This person doing this. Sue. Oh my God, man. Everyone's suing everyone, man. Holy Lord. What's with everyone suing? It's like, sue. Oh yeah, let's sue this guy. Let's sue this guy. Oh Lord, bro. I get it for like financial reasons, but holy moly, people are like suing for like, just because someone, can't have freedom of speech? Holy moly, man. You got this person suing this person because they said this, and this person suing this person because this. Holy moly, man. How many times can you sue? Oh, Lord, bro. All right. My rant's over. My rant. Quick rant about suing.
Rant alert.
All right. I get suing if you lost money, but holy moly, man. You know, just because someone said something, come on, man. Who is Victor? I don't know. Hold up. Sue. Let's go over here. How many red weeks in a row can the market how many red weeks in a row can the market really sustain without a bull trap? Facts, man. Facts. Class action lawsuit against Jordan for lying about his birthdays. Hey, today is my birthday, man. You have no proof. You have no proof it's not my birthday. Okay? You have no proof. No, but in all seriousness, man. Can I sue because the horse guy looks like Mr. Ed? I don't even know who Mr. Ed is, to be fair. All right, so maybe I'm dumb for saying I don't know who Mr. Ed is. I have no idea who that is, man. I'm going to be honest. There's a lot of times where people are like, you don't know who that is? You know every word to this song from 40 years ago, but you don't know who this guy is. All right? Let's be honest. That's sort of me. All right, so Bitcoin's trying to come back up again, man. It's trying to. It's getting very, very salty that it can't move up to the upside here. Should we watch it on like the 5-minute? That'd be more fun. Let's do it. 5-minute chart. Getting a little salty here, man. Get a little bit of consolidation. Let's see, man. I mean, the vector candles, you got vector candles all down here, man. Which shows me at some point we're going to come back down to this range, right? Doesn't mean we can't continue up higher first, though. Those are just for, just to show you that most likely at some point you'll visit this range again. Which I think everyone can kind of probably agree at some point we'll be back down to that 20K range, even if we do go higher. All right, so 21,140, still just showing in the range. You guys are saying 8 is pumping. Harmony, look at Harmony. Look at Harmony coming right back up, man. Come on. You guys were making it seem like it was dead. All right, Cardano. Let's see, man. Matic went crazy because it fell into 30 cents. It was going to price discovery on the bottom side. Facts. Yeah, Cardano's back at the 50 EMA, so nothing's really changed there. But yeah, just a nice formation on Cardano, man. But it's not pumping really right now. I think it's a little bit of an exaggeration, but the 200 EMA is right there at about 48.4 cents, right? So we wait for that. Miller became a member. What's going on, Miller? Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Yo, what are your thoughts on the next Sol move? We did the Sol earlier. Mike said, whatever happened to the wheel? Everyone kind of forgot about the wheel, so I took it off. I took it off the wheel, and quite honestly, like, I didn't necessarily really enjoy doing the wheel. Okay, I didn't enjoy that, and if I'm not going to enjoy something, it is what it is, man. You know, it is what it is. Let's see. 8 is shit. 8 is shit. All right, let's see what's pumping. Let's actually go to the crypto bubble. I like using the crypto bubble to see what's pumping. Let's see. Store J? Is Store J up 35% today? Holy moly. Let's actually go to the hourly. Let's go here. Let's go in the last hour. What's pumping? Looks like BAT's getting a nice move. So Matic and BAT looks like they're coming up a little bit. Let's go check out Matic. Because I know everyone likes Matic, including myself. Let's go check out Matic Network. Look at Matic go, man. Holy moly. Let's get a pump song. Let's get a pump song going for Matic. Coming back up. Pumping hard. Up to 60 freaking cents. Up almost 2x from the lows. Man. It's getting tempted to take some profits on Matic, man. It definitely is. Profits as in taking money out to buy back lower when it goes back down eventually. But nice pump on Matic, man. Nice stuff there, man. Holy moly. Like a straight line to the upside. It's giving no chill. Straight back above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. That's some good stuff. That's some really, really good stuff, man. I would say, this has a good shot to come up to this vector range here. Just be careful because the 4 hours, guys, I would not recommend FOMOing at all. I never do. All right, but watch that zone right there. between about 63 cents and 61 cents. Watch this zone. You got a red vector candle here. Could just be them bringing it back up to take that. You also got probably going to have some resistance and support and previous support at this level. And look at the 4-hour RSI, guys. This thing's cooked. This thing's actually cooked, and I'm sure the 1 hour is even more cooked. Yeah, 1 hour is at 84, 85. Get the 1 hour stocks topped out, 4 hour stocks topped out. Be careful on this one. I think this one's going to get rejected at some point soon, but holy moly, man. What a freaking move for the Maticers out there. What a freaking move, bro. All right. Let's see. Shorting time. Let's get this crypto every 5 seconds. Crypto Kirby? Sure. Let's bring on Crypto Kirby. Come on, Kirby. Come on, Kirby. Talk about the daily chart. Come on, talk about the daily chart, man. Come on, bro. Come on, Kirby. All right, guys. Crypto Kirby's coming on. I'll be back. What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Kirby back with another video today. Guys, there is some serious things going on the charts right now, guys. There's some serious things going on the chart, guys. There's some serious warning shots fired. All right, guys, we got to pay attention to the charts here because Jimmy with this little $500 stimmy looks like he's about to get wrecked today, guys. Jimmy with the $500 stimmy. We got them bringing price back up on the short-term time frames here. You know what that means. Bitcoin's ready to dump again, okay? Jimmy with his $500 stimmy is literally about to get wrecked. All right, so if you're Jimmy by the water cooler, you better start taking your crypto out now because we are eventually going to go lower, guys, okay? So pay attention to the warning shots fired. And make sure you guys put your short positions in because we are going much lower down into the crypto abyss. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today, guys. If you guys want to join the trading group, all right, you can join Crypto Kirby Premium down in the description below. See you guys. All right. Guys, you need to see your face. Crypto Kirby doesn't have a face. That's the whole point. Down into the crypto abyss. Come on, man. We're going back to the crypto abyss. Crypto Kirby does not have a face. You would know this if you know anything about anything. All right? I'm just kidding. All right. Bitcoin's still just chilling, man. It's still just chilling like a villain. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. Let's get dirty here. Maj, you want to get dirty? Oh, Lord. There's definitely some warning shots fired. What? Warning shots fired. Is her fingers dirty? Oh, God. People are going to take that the wrong way in the chat. Holy moly. All right. So, before we go eat chips, Bitcoin, let's go to the 3-minute chart. Let's get dirty here. All right? Let's get really dirty. So, we are coiling up. All right? Price is coiling up tighter. Okay, very tighter. But yeah, downtrend of resistance, uptrend of support. Let's see what kind of happens here, man. We're just going to use this as a general baseline of where we can expect price to generally go to. All right, you can honestly come all the way back down to here, like this. Bada bing, bada boom. We'll use this as general trend lines. It's just so we have something to look at here in the short-term time frames. Let's see if this plays out. Right, typically this break to the upside from the direction if you're coming from the downside. Each break to the upside. So let's see. It's a 3-minute chart. Don't take it for granted, man. But we'll watch that on the charts, man. You and your $50 worth of Bitcoins. You know. Dale's bullish? Wait, what? Bottom is in, folks? Dale. Oh, no. Dale's bullish, man. Dale is bullish. Guys, is that a good thing that Dale's bullish? Holy moly. Dale, what happened, bro?
Bitcoin is bearish.
The bottom is in for Bitcoin, says Dale. This is a groundbreaking event. If you guys are familiar with this, Dale is always bearish in the chat. And you got to be here for a while to know why Dale is important. When Dale is bearish, that's when you want to be DCAing. Okay? And he's bullish now. I don't think I like that, man. I don't think I like that Dale is bullish. You know? Dale, what? You must be trolling, man. Don't take it for granted. He said dump it. Oh, man. Dale is bullish. You know what to do. Dale is bullish. You know what to do.
Dump it.
All right. You just went bearish before you? Facts, facts, facts. Oh, Lord.
3 years ago, I was Horsey Guy Grin. Can you Tomina XOXO?
Max said if we dip hard, USDD goes down, also taking Tron down with it. Heads up. Let's see, man. Let's see. I know there's a lot of fear with what happened with freaking Luna, Terra, right? So I couldn't think of the freaking name. A lot of fear what happened with Terra, right? I get it. All right, Bitcoin's dumping. That was quick. There we go, man. That was super, super quick. It's just a 5-minute time frame size, so don't take it too seriously. A 3-minute time frame, even worse. So don't take it too seriously. Maddox trying to pull him back down. All right, let's see. Let's go back to the hourly. So far, the rejection here. All right. Dale said sure. Oh, Lord. Now Dale's salty. You know what to do when Dale's salty.
Dump it.
And literally would dump it right on the charts, man. That's funny. All right. So, yeah, man. See what you did, Dale? Right when Dale said he's bullish, we dumped. Come on, Dale. Holy moly, bro. No, but the 5-minute charts is super, super small, man. Super, super small. All right? There is a lot of resistance right here, man. When we talked about it, that's the 800 EMA on the 15-minute. That's the uptrend resistance on the wedge. Respect the wedge, man. Respect the damn wedge. Hope we still come up and liquidate Java, man. I really, really do. It's going to be a pain in the ass if we don't come up here and liquidate Java. Because he's going to be freaking annoying as hell, man. He's already annoying right now. Man. Look at him. Let's go check him out in his room, man. You really thought I was going to get liquidated? You were so close, but so far. 21,250. There's a reason I put my stop loss there. I outsmart everyone. You guys need to short Bitcoin. I keep saying it. Short it. My Lord, man. You really think you're going to liquidate me? Java the short? Okay? Yes, I might eat a lot of Chinese food. Yes, I might have a lot of energy drinks on my table. Yes, I might say huddles for pussies. Yes. Okay? I might take my advice from Savvy. But I'm a genius. Stop going against me. You're not going to liquidate me. Okay? You're not. All right. See ya. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, man. I want to liquidate him. All right. We're bouncing back up. Here we go. All right. Come on. Let's get Java, man. Let's freaking get Java. Man. Come on, bro. So sick of not liquidating Java. Look at ETH, though. ETH is trying to continue up. The problem with ETH is it's already above the 200 EMA, but until Bitcoin decides if it wants to break its 200 EMA, quite frankly, we can't get too excited for ETH here. All right, Matic still holding up there at 59 cents. So everything looking fine there for Matic, man. So altcoins are doing fine as of right now. Bitcoin's doing fine. Let's look at some other ones, man. You were getting liquidated, Java? Has Java ever taken profits? Are you serious, man? Think about this logically, right? Has Java ever taken profits? Everyone wave to themselves in the chat, by the way. Also, smack up that freaking like button, okay? If you want to liquidate Java. If you don't, well, you can hit it up anyway for your boy. Here's the thing about Java. You really think Java's ever taken profits? He still lives at his mom's house. Okay, he still lives here. I do too. You're right. We're all living in the same house. He's been shorting since 69K. He has a lot of money, but we know what we're gonna do. At some point, Java is too greedy to take profits. We're gonna go back up, and we're gonna absolutely destroy Java. Okay, absolutely liquidate the shit out of Java. Okay, we're gonna do the first liquidation right now. This is his first order. We're gonna liquidate him right now in his Bybit account. All right. But he's still living at his mom's house, so he hasn't taken any profits. Okay? He has 2 Lambos, yes, but he's still poor. The only profits he took was to buy cars. That's it. Okay? That's it. So keep it real. Link to this Java? What are you talking about, link to this Java? Who in the chat, man? Link to this Jabba? What the hell are you even talking about, man? Link to this Jabba! Let's type something in the chat. Link to this Jabba! What does that even mean, man? That's one of the most random things I've ever heard. You gotta tell me what that means in the chat, bro. You got to. Time to short. Alright. Time to short, man. I'm waiting on my short. I will short. If Bitcoin breaks from this wedge, I will be shorting. You know me. I will be shorting down to the downside. I have no fear in saying that I will short Bitcoin down to the downside if it does break this resistance. Or this supportante. Okay? 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 Oh, Lord. Trapping traders right now? Drew, let me know in the chat. What do you, Drew? I love Drew's opinion, man. What are you thinking, Drew? What are you thinking? I mean, you got to respect the 800 EMA, you know? Especially on the... dude, this has been... You can go back in the past, but I'm telling you guys, this has been the point where Bitcoin loves to get rejected from, right? This 800 EMA in the 15-minute. And also the 200 EMA in the 1 hour, okay? Loves to friggin' do it. Loves it, loves it, loves it, loves it, loves it, bro. Loves it, loves it, loves it. Right? We'll see where Bitcoin is at the end of the stream. But, here's what it is. Stop talking like a jackass. Oh, Lord. Clinty. All right. XRP. Let's talk about XRP. XRP you like? I don't like XRP. It's not that I don't like XRP. I think that's a strong word, man. I don't want to get attacked by the XRPers because they're going to come at me super hard. All right? Super hard. It's not that I don't like XRP. I just don't like it to hold right now. Okay? If you want to DCA it into it and hope that, you know, the court case comes out and it goes to the moon, great. It'll go to the moon at some point. I already know what's going to happen, man. Here's my prediction on what happens to XRP. Okay, the court case doesn't settle until at some point in 2023. Okay, if that, it doesn't get settled. Okay, because it's going to get settled this time. It doesn't get settled sometime in 2023. It starts to go up. Okay, this is what's going to happen, man. I'm gonna call it right now. And we're going to come back to this in a year. Okay, if I'm wrong, I'll take the L. You guys know I don't care. Okay, I'll take the L. I ate a damn sock on stream. Okay, I don't care. I do not care. Here's what's gonna happen though in the weekly. XRP is gonna do this. It's gonna go ba 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 ba. It's gonna do this for probably the next year. Okay, if I had to guess, this is my if I had to put my 100% money on it, and then it's gonna pump. You know, and everyone's going to say, oh my God, it means the court case is over. No, it's literally just going to mean that Bitcoin's going up. Okay, and I already know it now. Everyone's going to say, oh my God, all the XRP haters, suck it. While the whole rest of the market's going up too. And it's not going to mean that XRP is going to the moon. It's just going to mean that the rest of the market's going up too. I can already smell it, man. I can already smell it. Now, does that mean you shouldn't be buying XRP? No, I think XRP will go up just like anything else. But anyone expecting XRP to go to like $300 or $500 or $1,000, which I see in some videos, man, which is ridiculous price predictions. Okay? $500 for XRP, man. What kind of shiznip is that? You know, then, you know, listen, man, This is what I see happening, bro. You know, it's going to go up with the rest of the market, and the XRP is going to go, I told you so. And it's not even going to be because of XRP. It's going to be because Bitcoin's going up, you know? And I record this. Oh, Lord. Never mind, I wanted to troll with Miles. Hamilton and Miles, you guys love to troll me, man. I say Hamilton's not as much of a troll. Maybe I'm wrong about that. I know Mr. Miles is, though. Okay? And... Jordan listening to himself again. There we go. XRB has been so boring for years now. I mean, it had a pretty nice run in last year, man. I mean, it went from... It's not like it sucked. I mean, it still went up, you know? It's not like it was the worst thing in the world. I mean, if you bought in the March of 2020 crash, which most people didn't, so I think that's kind of unfair. Let's say you take it from the candle bodies here up to the tops. I mean, it had about a 13x. I mean, it's not too shabby, okay? You know, it's not too shabby. So it's not the worst thing in the world. You still made money on it, you know? So I'm not going to try to be a hater, but it's going to go up with the rest of the market, you know? I bought your Matic. Did you, Keith? You bought my Matic? No, I haven't sold it yet, man. Because I'm streaming. See what Matic's doing. Matic is trying to come back up. That's the weekly time frame. I was like, this doesn't look right. This is what Matic looked like earlier. Yeah, 59 cents still. Bitcoin's still just chilling, man. Still just chilling. Zill giving some boom booms. So check out the crypto bubbles, man. Atom's up 5%. Matic's up 5.8. Zill, yeah, Zill's up 6.3%. So let's check out some Zill. What's Zill do? I love that freaking crypto bubbles, man. Why did I not know about this crypto bubbles beforehand? Okay? Why did I not know about this? Why didn't no one tell me about the crypto bubbles, man? I can literally just put, it just gives me the visualization of what's pumping in the last, any time frame that I pick. This is an awesome website, man. It's simple, but it's so nice, bro. Why? Because I can look at this and see what coins I want to short. If I'm being honest. But yeah. So Zill. Let's see. Check out Zill. Zilliqa. Nice move to the upside, man. A nice move to the upside. Just like we've seen the past couple times, though, just be careful. You got the stock RSI getting topped out. You get the hourly RSI also getting up to the 80s. All right? You got a giant, actually, volume coming in here. What we want to see, really what we want to see for Zill, man, is you want to see a break of the previous high. All right? If we can do that on a close, we already broke it. If we can do that on a close, back up to like 4.5 cents, we break that. Hey, man. Should be pretty good. You guys are funny, man. Storage J look like a good short? No, but if we can break that, hey, all is good in the world. And Zill could have a significant move to the upside. If we actually look at Zill, look at where it is. It's on the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. All right? This coin particle too. That website's awesome, bro. But this looks, you guys know, the cup and handle's the cup and handle. When it's actually a decent cup and handle, it's not like just fabricated one that's like, I like a clean cup and handle. This is a pretty clean one, right? Cup. You got the handle back to the upside. Now let's get some volume follow through, man. We got to get some volume follow through. But I can't get too excited until Zill breaks this on a close. All right, let's get back above the 200 EMA on a 4-hour close. If we can do that, hey, awesome stuff. But until then, let's wait patiently until the confirmation. Okay, wait till the confirmation on that. But that could be an interesting play there for Zill if that does break out. Bitcoin still just chilling, man. So alts are kind of getting their day here. Let's see. Oh, Lord, man. Crypto Slavy was right. Nice. Clint needs a hug. Yeah, I don't know why Clint's crabby today, man. Everyone's crabby, man. It's a bear market. Hey, who's not crabby? Let me know in the chat if you're not crabby, man. I'm not crabby. Who else is crabby? All right? Let me know. Who's not crabby in the chat, bro? Gareth predicts Jordan will have a headache later because his cap is too tight. This thing is it is a little bit tight, man. I do have to say. But it hides my hairline. I told you guys. It hides my hairline, so I have to wear it, you know? I'm not crabby, just confused. Oh, Lord. Dale said I'm buying all the ETH. Dale, you better not touch my ETH, man. You better not touch my ETH. If you touch my ETH, we're going to have a huge issue. Huge issue. Not at all. I'm crabby. Super crabby. Your mom's crabby. There's my mom. Crabby AF. I'm happy. Crabby, not about crypto, but I have no fiat. Sorry, man. My gamer tag is crab. Is it really? Clint, why are you pissy today, man? Clint, you want to talk about it, man? Why are you pissy today? It's okay. Sometimes I'm pissy, you know? We're all pissy sometimes. Okay? Why are you pissy today, man? Listen, I tell you guys about, you know, about what I'm eating a friggin' 2 bags of chips later. So you can tell me why you're pissy, okay? You can tell me. Clint, I'm here for you, brother. Let me know in the chat. Is your wife pissed off at you? What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do, Clint? You definitely did something, bro. Let's see. Not clappy? You need the happy and clappy song? Is that what you need? All right, Bitcoin's trying to come back down here. 21,019. We want to see, all right, if this does it. So we're getting the rejection. We're getting the rejection so far. All right. We'll see what here. But if it does break the wedge, man, you got just the classic rejection off the 800 EMA and the rising wedge, which in the past, all right, has led to a dump. And we're actually, it looks like we might be coming down to the wedge formation right now, guys. I might have to look at some charts, man, because I might have to see what I want to do here before this breaks, man. So I might call it a stream here. I think we answered everyone here. Kennedy said, hunting alts above the 50 and 200 on the 15-minute and 1 hour before the pump is paying me. What's good, Jay? Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, man. Got to watch the 50 and the 200 EMAs. Those are the ones to watch, bro. Especially the 50. Especially the 50, man. I love, you know, longing or shorting anything, you know, any back test continuation of the 50, whatever way you're going, man. That's definitely a good thing. 3 years ago, I was horse guy. Can you TA Mina? Bro, I was horse guy. You guys know, I was literally horse guy maybe last year. All right, I think we all were, man. No, I wasn't that bad, but let's say Mina real quick. And Mina. Let's see, Mina. Let's see, man. I mean, Mina kind of looks like everything else. Oh God. Clint, I knew it was something like that. I knew it, man. I knew that's why you're pissy, man. I called it. Hey, it happens. It happens, man. It happens, man.
Now we are a team,
you know?
but she's not liking any more risks.
Well, crypto's very risky, so good luck with that one, man. That doesn't sound too fun to me. But Mina is Lord, bro. Let's go to the let's zoom in a little bit on Mina Kakina here. Let's see what we got. So Mina is doing a little squiggly woo. No. Let's get a little hourly going on Mina. So upwards channel. You're at the top of the channel. All right. You notice a lot of altcoins have these channels, right? ETH is getting rejected off the top of this channel. Mina's getting the rejected off the top of its channel right now, right? So same type of deal. Same type of little deal here. You got the hourly stock RSI topped out, all right? I got to assume that if we expect Bitcoin, depending on what Bitcoin does here, look what it literally just did. Look at Bitcoin. It bounced right off the bottom of that wedge formation, all right? So now I have the 3 touches I'm looking for. This confirms to me that it's a valid trend line there. Mina's kind of the same thing. If we're expecting Bitcoin to get rejected here, all right, we got to expect Mina to come back down. And based off his technicals too, right? Hourly stock RSI topped out. You got the 4 hour coming up hot and heavy, all right? And you probably got the 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute. It's slight. Actually, yeah, slight. Actually, no bearish divergence on the 15-minute, but you know, definitely, you know, could see the move back down on that too. Definitely has room to run down. So, yeah, man. What I'm looking at is a move back down to the lows, all right? Not to the lows, but to move back down probably to the bottom of this channel, right? Just to reset some of these. Get a yellow vector candle down here that you can come back down and take, all right? and then maybe we move to the upside. All right, but that's what the charts are showing. The charts. That's why I said that's what the charts are showing me right now. Literally the charts, bro. Literally the charts. You're making wife-changing money, Clint. I feel sorry for you, brother. I feel sorry for you, man. You know, I really, really do. Retrace and breakout. True. All right, guys. I'm gonna get off here. First of all, okay, Clinton, I appreciate you, man. Clinton, I love Clinton. See, here's the thing, man. Some of you guys have been watching me for so long, and I appreciate you guys watching. And I actually enjoy the people that I know. I actually enjoy when you guys come on and shit on me in here. Okay, not even shit on me, but you guys troll me, and because I think that stuff's fun, right? You guys be you, just like you guys tell me to be me. Okay, you guys be you. All right. If you want to come in here and you want to troll me,
Rant alert.
be you, right? Totally be you. I am okay with that. Why? What do I do here up here every day? You guys are probably looking at me like this. Well, when you look at our falling wedge, well, this could break to the downside. We have a yellow Victor candle back down to the downside, bro. A yellow Victor candle down here. I don't even know what a Victor candle means, but I preach it. Yeah. Well, what else do we have? Well, we have minor capitulation. I don't even know how minors work, but yeah, we have minor capitulation, bro. Yeah. That's probably how some of you guys look at me in the chat. I'm going to be honest, but I appreciate you guys being here every single day. I like to have fun on my stream. A lot of people don't like it, right? But that's who I am, man. I can't sit up here and just be boring the whole time. So I'm gonna stay me. You guys stay you. If you want to troll me in the chat, I love it because a lot of my favorite viewers love to make fun of me, love to troll me, and I don't want you guys to change, okay? I don't want you guys to change. So I'm gonna go eat my chips. I told you guys I'm gonna eat some chips tonight. Don't question the chip eating, okay? I'm gonna go eat some chips. I'm gonna go maybe look to see if I want to short some BTC. All right, and I'm gonna go have some fun. All right, so guys, make sure you guys are watching the charts. Do your thing. If you guys are looking to, make sure you guys are paying attention to the charts, man, because if Bitcoin, for whatever reason, can recover and get back above here, all right, it's happy days. As Tino would say, 21,700 could be in the cards. But until then, we got to respect the 800 EMA and look for downside prices from this level. All right, so I'll catch you guys later. 8:30 a.m., okay, Eastern Standard Time. All right, we'll be back in the morning, man. You'll see how the market looks. Let's actually check the futures before I go real quick. Futures are down a little bit right now. It's still too early to say, right? Down 0.2 points. What's 2.2 points among friends, right? All right, I'll catch you guys later. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic sell yo crypto. All right? Adios, fellas. Peace.